everyone and welcome to Vlogmas day 5. And now it's time to decorate the apartment and I don't have anything to decorate with. I'm going to pick my friend and we will check these stores with decoration things for Christmas. I never did it before, it's my first time and I'm so excited, so let's hit the road. Here we go. Why it's not focusing? Oh, I got hungry. Corn with cheese, mayo, and I don't know, some crispy thing inside. A friend of mine decided to grab something sexy in here. Wow, this one is nice. I'll push her to eat it. Let's go. Where? For Christmas decorations. Well, I think we never will arrive to the to decorations. But now you need to feel it. Not at all. Not even close. Christmas vibes. Christmas. Christmas. We are here. Hello. Zoomed in. We completely failed in Dragon Mart. There is nothing at all, so we came to Daiso and here is a lot of stuff. We had to not spend our time out there and just come directly here. I told you! Here we go. Oh, this is snow remover. Wait, this one. Fuck it. Just do it. Hey, snow. And what? That's it. Not fun at all. Look at this cutie stuff. I think I'll get this one. I think it's a vibe. Babe, should I get it? Babe, should I get it? Yeah. Or this one with deers? I think the snowman. Yeah? Oh my god! Well, if you have a small tree. Wait a second. She bought even more than I did. And your place is decorated. So now we will pass by the Miniso. So we're going to Miniso, the other Japanese store. Let's see what we will get there. Ta-da! They've got the new tea tree oil control moisturizer. Let me try it. Okay, here are our things that we bought today. I really love everything that I bought. Let's start with Daiso. I will put on my door some stickers for the window. I think it will be so cute. They are the cutest. Look at them. I love them. The thing that I bought, it's not for Christmas at all. Whenever I'm doing some masks or I don't know, I think for masks I will use it because I need something like this. It's so cute, it's pinky and it's so fluffy just, and it's pink, my favorite color of course. Then from Miniso, let's fix it. This cutie, it's so soft. It's so soft, it's so cute, I love it. Some mask to try the new one, cleansing foam, deep cleansing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments down below, subscribe to my channel if you still didn't. You're most welcome to be part of the family, and leave it a big thumb up to share some love. And till then, see you in my next video tomorrow.
Burning bridges.